If I was to identify an Ulmus, pumila, Sapporo autumn gold, apart from struggling to pronounce that name, I would be looking for a rounded, broad-crowned tree, probably reaching about 12 to 15 metres in height, rarely any taller, with rather well-furnished sprays, the leaves alternate and arranged in such a way that the spray appears very full of foliage. The leaves, when looked at in detail, ovate shape, actually very frequently not very oblique at the base for ulmus, but with a tapering tip and a double serrated leaf margin. The bark in a semi-mature to mature tree, very broken with vertical fissures, or a rugged grey. The winter buds are dark maroon brown, heading towards black, on a very pubescent twig. And often, near the end of the tips of the sprays, a lot of these buds, much larger, swollen. These are the flower buds ready for the spring, consisting of quite a large number of dark brown scales. And the winter silhouette of this tree, very distinctive, broad, as I say, reaching 12 to 15 metres. But look at the dense lateral branches at the end, the tip ends of these branches. A student from 2 years ago, Jonathan Simpson, suggested a description of centipedes for the lateral branches at the end. I agree. They very frequently break to sort of 2 antennae, and then lots of tiny little laterals that would form the centipede's legs. And on that centipede in the early spring will appear those hermaphrodite flowers, very feathery, very fluffy, lots of sticking out short stamen, sort of light brown in colour from a distance, looking more closely, a little bit of red in there. And amazingly, even before the leaves emerge, how quickly those flowers turn into fruit. The flattened samaras are very typical of ulmus.